diamonds.
Wow.
I was
Fucking the prom king donut shop parking lot. Shirley Temple found me there. She told me about the fire.
Ay, ano sinasabi niyo? Si Marilyn Monroe nagko-confess siya. oh.
Kanta, Noy.
Sino si Marilyn? Ayan. Kanino na po? Sino na?
diamonds.
Noy. Tan. Huwag tulog-tulugan. Baba doon!
Actually, I think it's fun to fuck a ghost.
Grabe kayo. Sinakop niyo pa lahat ng mga pwesto dyan.
Cowboy does.
Matigas ka naman dyan. Balon! Tantan!
The diamonds.
Pampala pa sa mama mo dyan. Nagtago ka pa sa
Alright,
likod
girls,
ng
best
mama mo
friend.
eh.
You said that.
Baba doon! Wala na.